Forests, importance and classification. Forests are complex ecosystems that play a vital role in human life. They cover about 31% of the world's land surface and perform various functions, including oxygen production, air purification, water supply, and other natural resources, making them very important for maintaining the health and balance of the planet. The classification of forests is based on different criteria, such as the climatic zone in which they are located, the type of vegetation that makes them up, or their ecological function. In relation to the climatic zone, forests are divided into tropical, subtropical, temperate, and boreal. Of these, tropical zones stand out for having the largest proportion of forests worldwide, reaching 45%, while the rest is distributed among the other climatic zones. World distribution of forests by climatic zone: 45% tropical, 27% boreal, 16% temperate, 1% subtropical. Geographic connection. About 54% of the world's forests are concentrated in 5 nations: Russia, Brazil, Canada, the United States, and China. Characteristics of tropical forests. Tropical forests are located in the intertropical zone and constitute one of the most important ecosystems worldwide. They are characterized by their warm and humid climate and experience abundant rainfall throughout the year, creating favorable conditions for plant and animal life. In addition, they stand out for harboring an astonishing biological diversity, with approximately 60% of the known species of fauna and flora worldwide. However, in recent decades, deforestation has seriously threatened the health and stability of these forests, affecting entire regions. Main issues facing tropical forests. Tropical forests, despite their ecological importance, face various issues that put their existence at risk. Deforestation, the process by which forest cover is removed or reduced on a large scale in a given area. It can be caused by human or natural activities. Pollution occurs when chemical agents that alter the forest ecosystem are introduced, such as waste dumping and industrial emissions. Climate change, significant variation in climate patterns that affects tropical forests, causing droughts, fires, and floods. Overexploitation, excessive logging and exploitation of forest resources without sustainable practices deplete resources and threaten natural regeneration. The impact of productive activities on deforestation. In a recent study, the FAO concluded that between 2000 and 2018, almost 90% of deforestation in tropical areas was related to agriculture. 52.3% was due to the expansion of cropland, and 37.5% to the expansion of livestock grazing land. Cropland caused more than 75% of deforestation in Africa and Asia. The most important cause in South America and Oceania was livestock grazing. Regions affected by deforestation. The regions most affected by deforestation in tropical areas are located in South America, Central Africa, and Southeast Asia. In South America, deforestation is concentrated in the Amazon, which is the largest tropical forest in the world. In Africa, the Congo rainforest is threatened by the expansion of agriculture, livestock, and mining. In Asia, deforestation occurs mainly in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Myanmar due to oil palm cultivation and overexploitation of wood for the paper industry. The conversion of tropical forests into agricultural plantations for the production of commercial crops, such as soy and oil palm, remains the most significant cause of deforestation worldwide. Soy is mainly used as feed for cattle, pigs, and poultry, and as an ingredient in processed products. African or oil palm is cultivated to obtain palm oil, which is a common compound in many foods and cosmetic products. The expansion of land for grazing and livestock, as well as the paper industry and illegal timber extraction, which is often destined for international markets, also increases forest degradation and ultimately the risk of their disappearance. South America. Deforestation is concentrated in the Amazon, the largest tropical forest in the world. According to WWF, 18% of Amazonian forests have been completely lost, and another 17% is degraded due to large-scale soy cultivation and the expansion of land for grazing. Central Africa. The Congo River Basin, 3.7 million square kilometers, is the second largest tropical zone. The main cause is subsistence agriculture, followed by forestry and mining operations. Southeast Asia. Palm oil production is the main cause, especially in Indonesia and Malaysia, which together produce 84% of the world's palm oil. Timber activities for the paper industry also have a significant impact.